She wants to know the right Islamic way to celebrate marriages. Because
celebrate what? Marriage day.
Yes. Because she said nowadays there is people who hire very expensive hotel halls and music and so many other things.
All that is very stupid and blind following of the Western ways. Marriage day should be, if you must enjoy marriage day, repeat what you did in the first time during the marriage when it was consumed. Have good dress, invite a few friends and get married yet again. But that will be a meaningless exercise. Once married, every day should be a marriage day. That is my advice. And the rest, just to go on fighting in between during the year, calling each other names, falling foul of each other, and wait for one day on which you are married to get together again, that is a very stupid scheme of things, of which I do not approve.